to this tutorial, I will just show you how you can arrange some cues in time with an audio track. So here we have a bunch of cues, so that's the video wall, the video example project in MadMapper 6. So I will go to the conductor here, and I will take an audio file, drag and drop it here. Oops. Now what I want is to put some of the cues over the audio track. So what I can do is add a timeline player track, and here if I double click I can choose one of the cues and put the cues in time. Oops, like here. Oops, I can snap to the audio file important moment. I can also show the audio track as background, so I can see stuffs in the sound. Okay, so for instance here, well, oops. Okay, so I can place different cues in the time. I can also go here and take one and drag and drop it here on the conductor button and do that like this, which is the same as double clicking or alt click. And now if I play my sequence, this is the moment I want to be. Oops. Okay, so that's a way to program in MadMapper, so you can create scenes or cues and then just drag and drop them, or creating a timeline player track to put your scenes and cues. It also works with the timeline, so if at some point I have something like this, I create a cue but I animate it so it's timeline, and here I want to change the visual of those two quads in time. I can go to 0, enter the edit mode, select the visual I want to use here, and at 1 second I will choose another visual. Oops. And at 2 seconds I want to select another visual. Oops. And then oops, I can do that again and then put that in loop. So this is actually changing the visual. Okay, let's do this. Oops, oops. Okay, now this is a timeline. I can also animate the opacity, for instance. Okay, so here I have an animation on the opacity, and this cue, let's call it timeline. Oops. Then I can go in the conductor, put the timeline here, and since this one is animated, if I go here then it will actually animate the opacity. Okay, and I can make it longer so it will repeat timeline. I can press the edit button so it shows actually the content being played. So if I make it bigger, it will repeat indefinitely the opacity animation. And if I move at some point, it will just scrub inside the sub timeline that is here. Okay, hope it helps. Bye.